Doesn't even have a thing. This doesn't even. I think this is sealed off. This is kind of cool. Nice, but I don't know about the two-car garage is okay. But it does feel like one. I play all the too close to my neighbors. This is actually a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. This is really cool. Huh?
That's not what it sounded like.
Exhaust. This older style. Oh yeah, this is just these windows. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I realized like I haven't really been over the past couple of like honestly weeks like really going out and just kind of like enjoying LA for like what it is. So I'm gonna go off today. I need to do some errands. I need to go off, run some errands, go to the store. I need to get the car washed because the car is absolutely filthy. Huh, kind of strange actually. Look at this. My car's running 999 miles. Huh. I did notice that the one day when I turned the car on. That's interesting. I don't know why it's reading that. I have to see when I start driving if that goes off. But anyway, so I need to go to the store. All the places that we did look at, probably none of them were going to work out. Yeah, so all the houses that we looked at yesterday, none of them are probably going to work out. We do have our eye on a couple different things. I really want to get somewhere where it's going to be a garage so we can like do much more car videos like I used to do back in Buffalo, how I used to actually do installs a lot more. I feel like I'm so limited here. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see what's going on. But I'll definitely keep you guys updated when like things kind of progress a little bit more. So I'll keep you guys in the loop. This car is filthy. From the last time we went off-roading, this car is absolutely filthy. I'm not sure or not, we might go to Halloween Horror Nights again tonight. If you guys are interested, I started up a whole separate channel. I'm gonna be putting all of my like amusement park stuff and like Horror Nights, Universal, Disney trips, stuff like that on that channel. I kind of want to keep things separated. This channel's the main channel, mostly car stuff. But I'm gonna focus that channel completely is going to be just on like amusement park stuff. So if you're interested, you can check that channel out. I have a link down below. But yeah, let's go to the store.